In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your resume as a link. Let's open a resume first. Normally, what we do is share these types of PDF files with clients. But these PDF files may get lost while working on a large-scale project. So you can share your resume as a link to prevent this problem. Let's close this file. Launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, search for tiiny.host. The link to this website will be given in the description. On this website, you can literally just upload your resume and it will give you a working link for your resume. On the website, click on Upload. Now, select your resume. After selecting, it will ask you to create an account on this website. You can create your account with Google, GitHub, Microsoft, or Yahoo. In my case, I will create the account with Google. Now, select your Google account and click on Continue. Here, you can see that our link has been generated. If I click on the link, it takes me to our resume. You can even customize your link to some extent. In the pop-up, click on Customize. Now you can customize your link. But remember that you can only add text without spaces here. You can also customize the access and display mode for your link. After you are done, click on Publish. In the pop-up, click on Continue. Here you can see that we have customized our link. Now let's check the link to see if it actually works or not. In the pop-up, click on Copy Link. Let's take a new window. In the search bar, paste your link and hit Enter. Here you can see that our link is perfectly fine and it shows our resume as a web page. Following these steps, you can share your resume as a link easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.